Hey, this is Miss Powell. Since I'm not going to be a physical teacher this year and kind of like giving you assignments online, I wanted to make sure I gave you a good program to help you. And the program that I felt like covered most of the standards that would get you ready to advance in your mathematics skills would be IXL. So what I like about IXL is if you go to the learning page, you are actually able to go through about any level that you need to. So right now, if you're in the 8th grade level, that's where your assignments would come from. But if you need some help in some topics that maybe you didn't really understand very well in 6th and 7th grade, you can go back and click on that. If you're very far advanced and learn the math very quickly, feel free to click on anything that you want to on here. So one thing that I do like about the IXL program is if you're going and clicking on a topic and you're not for sure exactly how to do it, and maybe the video that I sent did not explain it very well, sometimes they will have a learn by an example. You can kind of read through there and it goes through and it kind of explains how you would graph that out. Um, there's also lessons at the bottom that you could click on and just to practice before you get started. And it kind of tells you related skills. If I wanted to go back and find another one, that one probably only had an example because it wasn't a very hard skill. But some of the skills that you might have to do later might have a video that goes along with it. So let me see if this one does. So you can learn with the example, or if they have a tutorial, it's usually like a little short video that explains to you how to do it. So I'm not going to let that play. But once you've learned how to do it, then you can go and start doing the problems yourself, and you have to make sure you understand on the directions how to do it. When you hit submit, you will get a SMART score over here at the side. So usually when you hit 90, you're pretty proficient at it. Um, 91 to 100 usually becomes the more challenging. Now, what some students don't like about this is sometimes when you click and you miss it, you will have points taken away. So my suggestion would be don't keep working on an assignment if you keep missing them, missing them, missing them. Go back to the tutorial, go back to the video or some kind of example, because this is pretty interactive with your answers. And the more you answer incorrectly, sometimes the more they think you need practice. So just be careful of that. And I know that's frustrating when you lose points, but it's just trying to make sure that you gain enough understanding to where when you get to that 90%, then you really have a good understanding of it. So I wish you good luck in this school year.